How to hide your Instagram highlights from someone. This tutorial shows you how to control who can see your story highlights on your profile. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Following that, scroll down to your story highlights section below your bio. Now, tap and hold on the highlight you want to hide from specific people. Moving forward, tap on Edit Highlight from the menu that appears. Afterwards, tap on Edit Audience or the three dots icon in the top right corner. In addition to that, you'll see options to manage who can view this highlight. Once there, tap on Hide Story From to access privacy settings. Subsequently, you'll see a list of all your followers. Moreover, scroll through and select the people you want to hide this highlight from by tapping on them. Afterwards, check marks will appear next to the selected accounts. Then, once you've selected everyone you want to hide it from, tap Done in the top right corner. Within moments, your highlight will be hidden from those specific accounts. Alternatively, you can also make your entire account private to control who sees all your highlights. Once hidden, those people won't be able to see that particular highlight on your profile anymore. Then, you can repeat this process for each highlight you want to hide from specific people. And that's it. If this highlight privacy guide helped you control your Instagram visibility, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram privacy tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay informed. See you in the next one.